Hello, folks. I'm recording this. Can you hear it? Mockingbird. I've been hearing him off and on my walk out here. Not sure if he's over on I guess the chimney of a house that's across from where I'm standing, or not, but I just wanted to share the Mockingbird song with you. It's that time of year. I don't know why, but every time I hear him, he makes me smile and laugh. It's never boring. Oh my goodness. Oh, and you know what else I've been seeing? Monarchs. Yep, I just saw one float by. That's the fourth one I've seen since I've been out here is monarchs. I live in Texas, so they're heading south. So I just thought I would share that with you. It was so beautiful. I just thought I would hop on here and record it and say hello. Yeah, there he goes again. Isn't it such a delightful sound? I think it is. Oh, I just saw him. Oh my goodness, there he is. Oh, he's over across the way. I don't know if you'll be able to see him. The second house in. It's like right in the center of the screen there. I don't know if that's the... No, actually it's the third house in. I don't know if you can see him or not, but he's on one of the chimneys there. Yeah, he just came flying around and landed. Well, at least he made an appearance, right? Well, you have yourself, let's see, what is today? Wednesday? A wonderful Wednesday. And remember to keep it sweet.